Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
A gray phone screen reduces visual stimulation and limits color-based rewards. It helps reduce scrolling time and improves focus during work. This method uses built-in system features only and requires no third-party apps or routing. It works for most modern Android and iOS devices released in the last 5 years. I will show the exact settings paths for iOS and Android. Follow the steps carefully, and you will get a consistent gray display. Open Settings on your iPhone to start the grayscale process. Tap Accessibility, then Display and Text Size to access visual options. Choose Color Filters and toggle Color Filters on to see filter choices. Select Grayscale from the list to convert the entire screen to gray instantly. Optionally set the Accessibility shortcut to triple-click the side button to toggle grayscale on and off quickly. This approach is system-level and preserves battery and app behavior. Open Settings on your Android device to find color options under Accessibility. Look for color correction or visibility enhancements and enable the monochromacy or grayscale option. If your device lacks that menu, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times in About Phone Settings. In developer options, choose Simulate Color Space and select monochromacy to force a gray screen. Some phones offer digital well-being bedtime mode.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.